is up, guys, girls, aliens? I figured out how to do SSH at boot for anybody who was wanting to know that. Because on the other tutorial, I set up SSH, and I'm not on life support. That's just the beep. Here, yeah, not on life support. Um, the last time, or when I set up my SSH server, I had to be by my computer. And as anybody knows, that's not really cool if you're SSH. So, how did I do it? I don't think I did it right, but I did it. And I'm going to show you now. Where am I? Okay. If you don't know where I am, go back in the other tutorial where I set up the SSH server and showed you how to configure it and all that good stuff like that. That's just a link back to, that is a link back to user sbin sshd. Okay, so why is it here? I forget because it was a while since I made it, but I know it's there for a reason. So that's that. And what you want to do is all these scripts here. I was reading in the book and it said something about the run level RC5. Okay, RC6.d is the shutdown run level, and I think RCO is something like that too, or the halt run level or something. Okay, so I took the liberty of going into RC5.d. And I think I did it before, but I don't think, obviously I didn't do it right because I failed. So let's just cat it out. RC 5.d. Let's say more. Oop. We'll say. Okay. On mine, there's two layers here. Okay. This run level starts up s10 syslog.d. Okay. And it starts up s20 network. Okay. The S's, you gotta read in the book. I forgot exactly what they mean, but I think it's like the order of where they'll start or something like that. Okay, I'm not sure. I haven't read the book in a while since I did the OS. But if you go inside of the S20 network, okay, this starts up your network configuration and all that good stuff like that. It's got a case statement in here and everything else. And what? The only thing I did was I just went all the way down. You want to get out of the case statement though, okay? Because you really don't want to mess up anything in here. Because if you really go playing around with this, you're really going to screw something up, okay? So back it up. You know, backup's always good. Back it up, and so you keep the original file, okay? But I got here after the case statement, okay? I just added in this line right here, and you need to add this line in. In the other tutorial, I showed you how to just start it up by what I did was I created a link. I think that's right. Yeah. Well, no. I made it global. Okay. In the other tutorial, you got to go back in the using my LFS tutorials. It's only like 10 of them, but there's a tutorial on there. If you're not familiar with what I'm doing here, watch that first. Okay, on how to make SSH global. Okay, and by making it global, I did this in a tutorial. Oh man, I don't have that installed, do I? Say LS CPU. You know what I mean? That's global from, on this machine it's an Ubuntu machine, but it's global from Ubuntu. Do you know what I mean? It's already set up. But LFS, it's not already set up. Okay? So you can take variables like LS CPU, or I think we did LS USB or something like that, where it wasn't global. Okay? And by saying global, I'm saying anytime if you type in, you can access it from anywhere, okay? And you don't need to use a full path. That's by what I'm saying global, okay? This here, you have to, after the case statement, okay, add in the full path to your SSH. This is just actually, this sshd start, I think, is just a link. That's, so what it is, I got two links going on here, okay? I got the full path of a link, which is popping back down to another link, okay? So I can show you, Etsy, or no, let's say user sbin sshd, okay? That is actually what starts the SSH server. So now if I type that in and I just enter that, I didn't get any feedback on it, but my SSH server has started, okay? But that's the full path name to start your SSH server. And basically what this is here is after the case statement, it's going into the Etsy rc.d init.d sshd start. Now if you remember in the other tutorial, we actually created that global link, or that we created a link called sshd start, and that link was actually pointing back to user sbin sshd, okay? That's what I did, and it works, okay? It works at boot, and it's fine, and I've been wanting to do that for a while, and I think I did it before, but I don't know where I did it. I think I might have put it maybe in the rc2.d cases logs. K, I think, is kill, okay? So you see like K90 kill order 90, okay, or 90th process, or I don't know what it is. It's in your LFS book, not BLFS, but it's in your LFS book, okay? But I think that's what it means. And I think S means start, okay, like start service. But I think I put the link to my SSH server to start it here. You know, and it didn't happen for me. Okay. So like I said, you want to go into your rc.d or rc5. Okay, that's a high enough run level. Okay, and let's say S20 network. Cat it out. We'll say cat S20 network. You want to go in there and start it. And one of the reasons why I guess I put it in the network script too, is because obviously you're bringing up your network interface, your devices, ifconfig, all that stuff like that. So I think this is like one of the last things to run. So that's what you would do. And even if you have any other scripts that you want to start at boot, you know, because we don't have the luxury of, you know, Ubuntu has stuff where you can load it into, I think, what is it, RC update, I think it is, you know what I mean, or Gen 2 or stuff like that. Yeah, RC update, where they install a program. So after you install a program with that, you can just type in RC update in your program, and it'll run. Well, we don't have that luxury at all. So, okay, but that's the path. Okay, throw it after the case statement. Don't put it before the case statement, because if you put it before the case statement, you'll throw all this stuff off. Okay, and you really don't want to do that. Okay, back up your stuff first, and you might get a error. You may not. I don't think you will. I know if you screw this path up, if you screw your path up to your SSH, where your SSH is actually running from, you will get an error. It'll be some funky command too, like it'll just say, it's fatal and you should check the book. Okay, but make sure you have this path, or the path. This is my path. This is probably your path too. Make sure you have the path correct to where your SSH is actually running. And like I said, it's in user sbin sshd. Okay? That's where I installed my SSH to. That's where it went. Okay? Alright. And I have nothing else to say. I've been wanting to put on an HTTP server, but I haven't yet. That's okay. I've still been messing with my machine. I've been doing some C programming. Not very good C programming either, so. But I've been doing some C stuff. And, I've been getting some tutorials. Thanks for everybody watching and all that good stuff. And, I hope it's helping you guys out if you need the help. And, I've been getting some feedback on creating a live CD. I don't know yet. I want to very bad, but I don't know when I'm gonna get the time to do that. But I will, hopefully, unless a comet hits my house. Alright. So, party people, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope this helps you out. And have a great day. Kill 2340. Peace out.